ancient reptiles, thunder lizards, lived and thrived in the Arctic has taken scientists by surprise.
It challenges.
Finding so many Pachyrhinosaurus in one spot is like stumbling onto an elephant graveyard. But not necessarily for meat eaters, like Troodon. Troodon may have had an adaptation that would have
而爬蟲類可以伏喺度唔喐好耐都得，佢哋係好有耐性嘅伏擊型捕獵者。
The floods have caught this cave lion by surprise. It's heading home after a hunt. The path home is now inundated. Because of the pouring rain, the river has...
including one of the most lethal predators of the Ice Age, the short-faced bear.